Welcome to the 34th Conference of the European Association for Music in Schools and the 11th European Regional Conference of the International Society for Music Education, hosted in Thessaloniki, Greece, from April 22nd to April 25th, 2027, by the Greek Society for Music Education, the Department of Music Science and Art of the University of Macedonia, and the School of Primary Education of the Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. Welcome to Greece. Welcome to Thessaloniki, a city where history, cultures and sounds coexist, where past and present are never fully separate. Join us to explore the evolving landscape of music education and to reflect on questions such as: what does it mean to be a music educator today? Are we facilitators, designers, performers, or something more? Are we still teaching music, or are we co-creating it? What happens when the boundaries between musician, instrument, and technology begin to blur? What new musical worlds are emerging? Can technology become not just a tool, but a collaborator? Where does the classroom begin and where does it end? Who is included? Whose music is heard and whose is missing? Are we still just teaching notes, or are we engaging in a dynamic collaborative process of becoming? Are we ready to reinvent ourselves? Through research and dialogue, through presentations, workshops, symposia and performances, we come together to share, create, and shape the future of music education. Join scholars, educators, and artists from across the globe in the historic city of Thessaloniki in Greece for rethinking music-making practices, reimagining the music classroom, reinventing ourselves, recoding music education. We look forward to welcoming you to Thessaloniki.